Hello, welcome back to Alexa, and in today's video we are making a boat neck tank top. First you want to cut out the self front and back fabric pieces from the main fabric. Then cut out the front and back lining pieces. I'm using the same fabric for the lining and self. Lay the front self piece on top of the front lining piece with right sides facing each other. I'm placing a straight pin on the back piece since it looks similar to the front piece. Pin the armhole, neckline, and the waistline of both pieces. Sew the pinned pieces using a zigzag stitch or a serger. Turn the front construction to the right side and keep the back construction on the wrong side. Insert the front inside the back piece. If your self and lining fabrics are different, when the front is inside, make sure that the lining front is facing the lining back and that the self front is facing the self back. Pin together at the shoulder seams. And pin together at the side seams. Now it's time to take it to the machine. Using small scissors or a seam ripper, open the stitching to make a 2-inch hole on the waistline of the back panel. Turn the top right side out through the hole. You can either hand sew the hole closed or take it to the machine. I use the basting stitch on the machine to close. I also used one of my machine's decorative stitches to mark the neckline to signify the back of the shirt. And there we have it, a simple, easy, cute boat neck top. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Until next time.